This video I'm going to show you how to add money in 1xBet Pakistan. So it will be very simple, where you will come and click to your menu. Before continuing the video, I will advise you to create a 1xBet professional account on registration, where you will come and click by email and put all your information right up to the promotional code. You will enter BOTV and you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. Continue the video. So the method which are recommended from Pakistan are JazzCash, EasyPay, e-wallets, and even cryptocurrencies. So if you want to use the method of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are the most common, you will click, for example, on Bitcoins. By clicking on Bitcoins, you will just read the terms and conditions that are being asked for Bitcoins and confirm. It will be also the same thing for Ethereum. So by obeying to the instructions, you will click also on confirm and all will be now done. For example, you can also use other payment systems like Neteller or even Skrill. By clicking on Skrill, you will now enter your amount if you want to use this one and confirm, or you can also use Neteller. By using Neteller, you will enter just the amount of money and your address mail so as to confirm.